use the triangles below to find the following. First one, cosine of q. And remember, let's start by labeling the triangle. If we go across, well, let's mark here. We're going to be finding cosine of q. If we go across from the right angle, that's going to be our hypotenuse. If we go across from angle q, that's our opposite, which means that across from r is the adjacent. And just as a reminder here, is that sine equals opposite divided by hypotenuse. And cosine equals adjacent divided by hypotenuse. And tangent equals opposite over adjacent. So when we set this one up here on 1a, our cosine of angle q equals the adjacent, which is 8, divided by the hypotenuse, 17. And it's the same process when we get here to letter B when we label. We are going to find the tangent of E, so let's mark the angle that we're finding. But still, when we start labeling, across from across from the right angle is the hypotenuse. Across from E is the opposite, which means that this final side is the adjacent. And tangent, our definition is opposite, so the tangent of E equals the opposite over the hypotenuse, which is 13. Same idea over here on letter C. When we look at this, we want to find the sine of angle D, so here's the angle that we're going to be working with. When we go across from the right angle, we get our hypotenuse. Across from the angle we're finding here is the opposite, which means that this side is the adjacent, so the sine of angle D is the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. And you might write those three trig values. The sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, tangent is opposite over adjacent at the top of each page of your review, and then do that when you're taking the test as well. By the way, you don't need to simplify these. You can leave them as is.